Why am I so big? Beta, can you please break the fourth wall somewhere else? Never. Hey guys, it's me, Mr. What the heck? Ooh, lunch. Oh god. Hey guys, it's me, Tall Black, and today we're going to be unboxing the Jurassic World Dominion, Owen, and Velociraptor Beta. I did not say that right, but anyways, I guess we can look at the box. So there's Owen with a knife and a rifle with the fox. I don't think that's necessary. That's probably unexpected. And here we got Velociraptor Beta with the... Maybe we'll get into the articulation when we open it. There's Rexy on the box. It says scan to unlock, which is also here. Jurassic World Dominion. It's 4+ by Mattel. Power Raptor. Scan to unlock. Velociraptor Beta. Unity tool included. There's Owen and the fox. And there's Claire with the Dilophosaurus. So separately, Jurassic World Dominion again. You got Beta here, Owen, and the fox. I already told you guys that. But yeah. Anyways, it's about time I unbox this thing. So let's do a time lapse, shall we? Anyways, here's Owen and Beta out of the package. There's the sniper and the knife. Don't forget the fox. Yeah. So jeez. I like these figures. This is my first Mattel action figure. Maybe we can review Owen first. So here's Owen. He can sit. He can move his knees. Like that. Also the other one. I don't really want to break the figure. There's Owen's hands. The elbows too. Also the arm can go in and out. His head can move all the way around. And so does his waist. He's got a belt on. He's got like a pocket. Is that for the knife, I'm guessing? Are you supposed to do knife in first? Yeah, I guess so. And we got, yeah. I think that's about it for this figure. Here's the rifle. Basically nothing surprising here. Owen, can you stop falling on your face, please? There we go. Here's the rifle. Again, nothing too surprising about it. Yeah. Alright, here's the fox, which is... I don't think this is supposed to be a part of it, but It's kind of painted very well. We got the brown leggings, the bushy tail, and the snout. Yeah, all that. There's like a little. Hold on. There's like a little logo here. I don't think you all guys be able to see it. This is the most unexpected figure from a Jurassic World figure. Or figure set. Who knows? Or who cares? What the thing is called. Anyways, and the star of the package itself, Beta. This is an over large Beta as well. I mean, look. Size comparison to Owen. That's pretty darn tall. I mean, Beta was supposed to be like about, I think, like the height of until Owen's knee. But no. They just did oversized Beta. And yeah. Oh, sorry, Owen. They did her so oversized. It's probably because of the packaging, because if she was tiny, she wouldn't be in the stores. But at least I found this at Target. It wasn't hard to find at all. So, yeah, alright. Articulation. We got oops. We got up and down neck. You can go all the way around. She can turn her head too. Yeah, we don't forget the articulation in the mouth. Rawr. We got the hands. They also move all the way around. So does this hand. Oh wait, I just realized she looks funny in this pose. Oh, that's cool. All right, put them back. All right, the legs articulated. As such, and of course this articulates the tail. Also, the DNA tag, it's really big. Oh my god, it fills up almost, I think, like 2 3/4 of her back. Like, dang. So here's the DNA scan code. I'll show you how that works in a minute, or maybe we can do it right now, who knows. Well, it looks like I can't scan this code, unfortunately, because of the Wi-Fi. God, I'm so poor. Anyways, the paint on this thing, she looks just like Blue. They've finally painted the toenails on the Mattel figures, but not the fingernails for some reason. Let's see inside the mouth. Yeah, the tongue, nice. A little bit of misbrushing in the teeth, but it's alright. The blue stripe goes all the way, almost to the tip of the tail. So this line, but this one does not go in their eyeball, but this one does. I've been noticing that. There's also, I just realized there's like this is a light blue, and so when it gets to the neck or the head, it turns into dark blue for some reason. That's cool. I mean, look at this. This thing covers up the entire back of Beta. Like, nice. I don't know what this number is for. Let's check the underbelly. Hold on. Just move the legs out of the way. The underbelly is fine. Ugh. Yeah, that's about it for Beta. So I figure we can do some size comparisons with Beta and the others. So, yeah, let's do it. We've got Therizinosaurus. We got the Indominus Rex. Holy crap, she's huge. We have Rexy, She's also big, but not as big as the Adominus. Here's the zipping glue, which is least likely to have by any collector. She's also oversized. And last not least, the Mosasaurus. Oh my god, it's so huge! By the way, this is where I keep all my figures. Dang. I already this said a 9 out of 10. Why 9? Oversized. By the way, this set was from Target. That's where I found it for $14.99. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications on. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next toy review. Bye!